Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today's gonna be a jam-packed day. We've got 3 inspections, and as you can tell, it's looking like a little bit of a cloudy day. Inspector's doing a great job up there. Maybe a 10, 12. Goes straight up, and then a small little back slope over here. A deep crevasse down here. But that would not be a fun place to fall, for sure. You did? For sure. Man, you're the best, man. Claim right here is a wind claim, no hail. Just wind. I think it's a 20-year 3-tab. You'll probably see the missing tabs up there. Not sure if you can see it very well with the GoPro, but missing tabs across the front, back, widespread. What I will say is that this is a State Farm claim. State Farm will issue a repair off of the first inspection. We'll try to come back out and conduct what's called a repairability test, ATR. We'll see if there's any damage to the surrounding shingles. We'll take video and photo evidence of that, and at the same time, we'll pull that shingle sample off of the roof. We'll leave it at the front door so that the State Farm outside adjuster can pick it up, send it off to RLS to see if there's a matching shingle. There's a bunch of different ways that we can negotiate claims for homeowners. It's just one of the ways with State Farm.
Yeah, so that's why he just had a terrible experience.
If a PA was involved, I would say that the claim was definitely filed. If an inspector from Farmers went out, even if it was a ladder assist, like Seek Now, whoever, they're gonna, most likely it's gonna be the same damages. So it doesn't matter if a new claim's filed. So we need to do our due diligence and find out some more information about what happened with that previous PA and that previous contractor. Because if the claim was filed and an inspector from Farmers stepped foot on the property, they're gonna say it's the same damages from before. It can be a non-payout, but they could say, oh, well, the repairs were below the deductible, but we still agree there's damages, but it was below deductible, so no payout. So we got to do a little bit of due diligence. Do you mind speaking with the homeowner and getting some more details about the previous situation if you want to? So you're saying you're meeting him at 11?
That's the time he'll be home. And yeah, from there, I'm going to just try to figure out some more information. And hopefully, I mean, from the looks of it, I don't think today we'll be able to get on the roof, but hopefully like tomorrow. Yeah. You know, so just so we can have markings and stuff down.
So there we got a situation where one of our trusted contractors reached out to us to see if the homeowner had a fighting chance with a potential claim. In that situation, contractor said the homeowner dealt with a PA and a contractor before about a year ago, said they had a really bad experience. In my head, I'm already thinking, okay, a PA was involved, a contractor was involved, most likely a claim was filed. A lot of times homeowners believe that they quote-unquote canceled the claim or withdrew the claim. When a claim is filed and an insurance inspector or adjuster touches ground on your property, that claim cannot be canceled. It cannot be withdrawn. It's an open claim, period. Even if the insurance company says, well, listen, you know, there's damage here, but it's below your deductible, so it's a no-pay claim, that's still a claim on your record. Those damages are still going to be accounted for in the ISA report in the insurance company's records as well. My concern with this one is that, yeah, although the damage looks decent, is it overlapping damage? Is it damage from that prior claim last year? So that's why it's super important to know all the details about the prior claim. If you're a public adjuster getting into this industry, you want to make sure that there are no prior claims that could cause issues with a new claim with overlapping damages.
Question for you, are you on the roof?
No, I'm not on the roof.
So got back to us, I told him what you said about, you know, proper expectations for the restaurant.
Yes.
And he said, thank you so much for setting those expectations. Do you feel like we did a poor job with the repair test? I just looked at the video and it looked really good. I mean, it was like on point what Alex has shown me. So I think what you meant by that, before I put words in your mouth, is that the insurance company tends to dig in their heels when they say something is repairable, correct?
That's correct, yes. I looked at the ATR as well. I mean, it was perfect. Perfect form, perfect everything. The shingles weren't lifted high. I mean, they used the roof snake. Yeah. It's perfect. The reason why I bring that up is because it's just another tool that's taken out of our toolbox because they've already submitted one, right? So when we try to fight repairability, if we send in an ATR and they've already deemed the contractor's ATR as repairable, okay, well, that's one less tool that we can fight with.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I was gonna put. I was gonna write not at all. It was perfectly done. They just dig their heels in when they have an ATR that they accept as proof of repair.
That's right. Delta's calling. Let me call you back.
Okay,
thank you. Thank you for calling Delta Public Adjusting. This is Mike.
Hey, Mike. This is, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. I'm doing great. I I got your message. I did not know if you got in touch with
No, I wasn't able to connect with him, but I've got some good news for you guys. Is he around as well? I'd love to tell you both.
He is no, he's male. Thought I would call you.
No worries. Well, you can give him the good news when he comes back. I just wanted to let you know we battled it out with your insurance carrier, and they finally relented and are agreeing to pay for your total roof replacement, as well as that detached structure that you guys have in the back.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness, I never expected that.
We pay insurance for a reason, and in your time of need, insurance has to be there for you. So they did the right thing. They agreed with all the damages, and your home and your garage is gonna have a beautiful new roof soon.
I really cannot believe that. I didn't even think about all that.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.